Hey guys, welcome to today's video. My name is Soulful Abby and I make videos about home, fashion, soul, beauty, and so much more. Please like, comment, and subscribe. So today's video is about, restoration hardware. Restoration hardware is, the creme de la résistance. It has, a certain je ne sais quoi. Sorry y'all, my bougie side is coming out because I really like restoration hardware. I haven't been able to afford any of their pieces, but I have been online cyber shopping and like window browsing. So today's video is about 5 items I have on my wish list from restoration hardware. Now, these are items I just have on my wish list. Doesn't mean I'm going to purchase them. There could be dupes or alternatives out there. It's just items I like, and if I could, I would get them. So the first item I have is the Duval Oak Double Door Sideboard and Hutch. Y'all, this is just a bookshelf. Now this is like a really elegant bookshelf. It kind of has like the gold trim with like the glass interior for the rose, I guess, and gold trim. And then on the bottom it has like a wooden cabinet doors. I'll throw a picture up on the side just so you guys can see it. I think this bookshelf is really, really classy. I think there's so many options you can use with this bookshelf. I'm leaning more towards the black finishes versus the gold finishes because, I don't know, I feel like the black hardware is a little bit more versatile, whereas the gold one is just a little bit more trendy and like very specific. Because I don't mind like having different metallic finishes in different rooms. It's just like in one room I kind of like one finish. So I like this bookshelf. It does feel like a decorative bookshelf where you'd have to just put like items or trinkets or maybe some books, but it just feels like everything has to be on this bookshelf, has to be really curated. It is pricey at $25.46, but I also appreciate how it's styled different ways, like how you can use it in like a living room setting, you can use it in an office setting. If I were to have this, I would put this in like an office setting and it would be like a backdrop for me behind my desk, so I could easily reach things if I needed to, or I would put it in front of my desk as like a focal decorating piece. But yes, the first item is the bookshelf. The next item on my list, and sticking kind of with like office furniture, even though this can be used multiple different ways, is the Emery Barrel Back Slope Collection chair. And it comes in different heights and different finishes. And basically, it's like a cute little, either a dining chair or an office accent chair that you could use with like the swoop back. I find these chairs to be so classy and classic. Initially, the style kind of reminds me of like a salon chair, like what you would see in a salon. But I really, really like this chair. And I think it would be fun to get like with really fun, whatchamacallit, fabric for the choices of the color of the chair. Also, it comes in 3 different finishes and 2 different heights. I'm thinking I would like the shorter height for like an office chair because the taller height doesn't really make sense to me. I feel like it's a little bit too bulky to be like a bar fabric stool chair, and the shorter ones are starting at $716 and they go up to $956 depending, I guess, like on the fabric and the finish. But I would probably get, honestly, the gold, the silver, or the black. Actually, I think I'm leaning towards the silver or the gold, but it's very, very cute. I really like this chair. And then on a similar vein is the Wexler Square Collection chair. And this chair it comes in so many different finishes. It comes in gold, black, or silver. And also it comes with like sidebars so you can put armrest, or you can get it without it. I feel like without the armrest, that kind of gives you more of like a dining table feel. And then with the armrest, it kind of feels more like of an accent chair. But like without the armrest, with the armrest, excuse me, you can have it on the ends of the table, if that makes sense. So that's how I would have it. I think this is a very, very, very cute chair as well. But granted, I'm leaning more towards the first option for the accent chair. And I would put it in the office space. The next item I have are accent floor lighting pieces. And the first one I have is the Fortuny Studio 76 lamp. I find this piece to be such like a statement piece. Like if I had this, honestly, I feel like I could take this piece, right, and style it really nicely in a bachelor pad, like in a loft style, leather couch, this in a corner, really cozy throw. I I like it in all of the, I prefer it in like the silver finish and the black finish. Black and silver, I think those ones look a little bit more neutral. The gold one is a little bit too flashy for my liking, but I like this lamp. I think it's such a great statement piece. It's just, yo, this lamp is like 47, it's about $5,000 for this floor lamp. And I just feel like that's a really high price for a floor lamp. You can get chandeliers for that price, and I'm not even a chandelier girl, but it's just very, very expensive. I just think it makes such a statement, and it would be so interesting. It would be like it would make your place feel very unique and very styled. But I am thinking that you might be able to find this as like as a studio set or like a prop light that you can find. This also seems like it's actually usable as a floor lamp that you can use and have like a dim light for your space. The next item I have is the Apollo floor lamp. And this was kind of like a second floor lamp that I could see making a statement. However, this lamp, why it wasn't number one is because I don't actually see it being used. I just kind of see it more as like a corner piece, as more like a vase than an actual floor lamp that would actually be turned on and off. It'd be really nice in maybe a guest room, or again, maybe in the living room in a corner as a focal piece. And it only comes in one color with like the gold, the cream, and the black. Okay, so for the final piece of furniture I have for today, I have a dresser from Restoration Hardware Teen. And I think the teen line can tend to be a little bit cheaper, so it's also a great place to find some pieces. So this dresser I like it because it's simple, the handles are simple. I also like it with the jewelry set on top. I think it's a great little touch and detail. With the clear glass on top, it displays all your pieces really nicely. Also, with the clear glass on top, you can also set things on top of your dresser. It's just a very, very nice piece. I also like the hardware finish. It seems like a brassy brown finish that would go with like whatever metals you have in your room, so it would transition nicely. And I think the white finish really opens up the space. It's called Waxed White, and I just really like it. I think it's clean. It gets the job done. They also had in another option, which is the Avalon dresser and hutch set, which has like a bookshelf on top of the dresser. And the only problem with this is you can't really put anything on top of the dresser, like in terms of like, sometimes like you put like sometimes your cosmetics on top of the dresser, but with the bookshelf, I think it makes your space like really clean, if that makes sense. Like everything seems like it has a spot when you have a bookshelf on top of the dresser. But just a little FYI, sometimes with these and like the weight, sometimes they can have like tilting, leaning issues. So just be sure to secure your stuff with this. I just think it's a very nice space. As a teenager, I didn't have a dresser like this. I kind of had the dresser with the vanity on top with like the mirror. That was very popular back in the day. But I would have loved this. I think it's compact, it's cute, gets the job done. And those are all the pieces I have from Restoration Hardware that are on my wish list currently right now. This was very difficult for me to film. I have tons and tons and tons of items I would love to add to my wish list from the site. But next week I hope to be back with another furniture store, another furniture stories. Let me know down below in the comments, what items would you love to buy from Restoration Hardware? And please like, comment, and subscribe for new videos like this one every week. Yeah.